Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily Morning Podcast. Now let's see how the market have done in the Friday's trade. Sensex has gained 1.68% settling at 80,436. Nifty has gained 1.65% settling at 24,541. Nifty Mid Cap 100 has gained 1.96% and Small Cap 100 has gained 1.93%. Now let's look at the gainers and losers of Nifty 50. The gainers are Wipro, Grasim, M&M, BPCL, Apollo Hospital, Power Grid and ICICI Bank. While the losers are TVS Lab and Doctors Reddy's. Now let's look at the sector-wise performance. BSE IT was the highest gainer at 2.72%, followed by BSE Realty at 2.45%, BSE Auto at 1.90%, BSE Power at 1.80%, BSE Metal at 1.74%, and BSE BankX at 1.61%. Now let's look at the market break data. 2414 stocks have advanced while 1527 stocks have declined. Now let's look at the 52-week high and low. 95 stocks have scaled 52-week high like Anantraj, Balrampur Sheni, Glenmark, Gravitas, High-Tech Pipes, MCX and Trent. While 31 stocks are trading at 52-week low like Apollo Pipes and Kalamandir. Now let's look at the fund flow data. FII with the net buyers to the tune of 766 crore and DII with the net buyers to the tune of 2606 crore. Now let's look at the global cues. The global cues look supportive as US market on Friday ended marginally on green for the whole week, registered a best weekly gains of 2024. This was the 7th consecutive daily gains. The Asian market are also supportive. Hence we expect a green start for our market today. Now let's look at the stock-wise development. Escort Kubota. The company has submitted an investment intent to Uttar Pradesh government to acquire land in the state to set up a greenfield facility. The company intends to invest 4,500 crore through direct and indirect investment in multiple phases. Annual production revenue is estimated at over 10,000 crore at full capacity. This remains positive for the company. Jubilant Pharmova. The company unit Jubilant Biosys will add drug discovery and preclinical development capabilities. Capabilities to be added in a new company incorporated in finance which will acquire Prairie Fabre R&D center in the country. The company is to invest up to 14.4 million euro over 7 years, including 4.4 million for a 80% stake in the new company. This remains positive for the company. DCX System. The company gets 107 crore order from domestic and overseas customers. This remains positive for the company. KPI Green Energy. The company raised 1000 crore via QIP and allotted 1.06 crore shares to QIB at 935 per share. This remains neutral for the company. Techno Electric and Engineering Company. The company partnered with Ingrid to develop greenfield transmission projects. This remains positive for the company. Urja Global. The company announced the pre-launch of high-speed electric scooter Chetna. This remains positive for the company. Samvardhan Motherson International. The company incorporated a new unit in Abu Dhabi for auto component manufacturing. This remains positive for the company. Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank. The RBI has approved the appointment of Saleh Sukuraman Nair as MD and CEO for 3 years. This remains positive for the company. GMR Airports Infrastructure. The passenger traffic across all airports in July grew by 7.7% to 1.06 crore, with domestic passenger traffic up 7.1% and international passenger traffic rising 9.3%. Aircraft movement increased by 6% and 2% on a yearly and monthly basis to 68,755. This remained positive for the company. Poonawalla FinCorp. The RBI has imposed a monetary penalty of 10 lakh on Poonawalla for non-compliance of certain provision related to Fair Practices Code for NBFC. This remained neutral for the company. Kaplan Point Laboratories. Anvisa Brazil conducted an inspection of the company's subsidiary Kaplan Steriles Injectables ophthalmic manufacturing facility in Gumidi-Pondi, Tamil Nadu. The inspection was conducted between August 12 to 16 and concluded with 0 observation. This remained positive for the company. Now let's look at the IPO offering. Interach Building Products. The company will offer its shares for bidding on Monday. The price band is set at 850 to 900. The 600 crore IPO is a combination of fresh issue of 200 crores and the rest for offer for sale. We recommend subscribe for long term. Now let's look at the bulk deals. Canara Bank, BNP Paribas Financial Market bought 86.6 lakh shares at 105.65 per share, while Marshall Wace Investment Strategy Eureka Fund sold 86.6 lakh share at 105.65 per share. Asapura Mine came. Griffin Growth Fund VCC bought 34.67 lakh shares, while LTS Investment Fund sold 34.67 lakh shares at 340 per share. Now let's look at the bulk deals. Electronic market investment. Karan Bajaj, Pawan Kumar Bajaj sold 1.5 crore shares. On the other hand, FTIF Templeton Asian Smaller Companies Fund bought 32.06 lakh shares. Norges Bank Government Pension Fund Global bought 67.35 lakh shares, and SBI Mutual Fund bought 1.51 crore shares at 229.75 per share. Now let's look at the ex-record date of dividend. Today is the ex-record dividend for Action Construction Equipment, Man Infra Construction, Reliance Industry. That's it for today. Thank you for listening.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.